Today we are going to Sekumpul waterfall, and there are only 3 of us today. That's the claw.
What's the
strongest smell actually. We decided that we will not go down, especially because Anna has a problem with her leg. She still cannot really walk too far, so we decided that we will go to the viewpoint where we can see it from the far away, and we will take the drone shots. And that's the whole idea. There are different options. You can even buy a package for 500,000 and then it will be food included, and a motorbike will bring you a couple of kilometers. You don't have to walk. But again, first of all, waterfall, for me it means that I'm walking to the waterfall, and it's like a kind of adventure. So while sitting on a motorbike, and it's okay, like in safari park, you sit in a car and then they bring you to the elephant. Okay, this is elephant, this is giraffe. It doesn't feel for me right. Oh, smells so good. So that's how the coffee is blooming. So this one is a cacao tree, and that's the proof. How you can find the difference? The difference is in the leaves. If you're looking here, there's like a ribs on the leaf, and there is less, and the leaf is a little bit longer. And here, this one is a coffee. As you can see, there's more ribs on the leaf. So that's how you can understand, is it a cacao or coffee? Looks pretty similar. That's how the good coffee harvest looks like. In September, October, there will be a harvest. And so then we have a plan to come back and just to see how they're doing the coffee from the beginning all the way up to already to the roasted beans. Trail is really comfortable. It's gonna be like a couple of kilometers of walk. You can actually see that this one is a really touristic place. Now at the moment it's also like a kind of abandoned. We met a couple of local people who speak perfect English, and I think that's the first sign of the involvement in a tourism industry in the past. Beside me, that's the Sekumpul. That one is Fiji. And there is another one which we cannot see, but I will be able to show it when I will fly a drone. So not so much water there, but in the Sekumpul it's pretty high. It's pretty high and it looks really good. about Sekumpul waterfall. Definitely it is worth it. It's the first time we are here and we definitely do not regret. If you want to really feel that waterfall, of course you definitely have to go down and be there next to it. This viewpoint gives you this feeling anyways. And if you have a drone, then definitely you will get a really good footage. It will be spectacular footage. And probably with a drone I can deliver all this feeling away better than if I would go down there. Definitely there is no water drops on my camera, which doesn't give that feeling, but anyways, I think it looks amazing even from here.
Yeah, this time we didn't went down, but we decided not come one more time. We will take Tonya with us and we will go down. We will go there and enjoy waterfall down there.
Shortly about what you're going to pay about this place. If you come to this viewpoint where I am at the moment, you're gonna pay 20,000 rupiah. If you're going down to that waterfall, Sekumpul, so then you're gonna pay 150,000. If you're going to cover all of them, this one, then Fiji, and then finally get up there as well, so then you're gonna pay 200,000 rupiah. I think it's worth it, definitely. It's not that expensive, especially if you are a tourist. Pulley. What is a pulley? I have no idea. Oh. So what's this one? This one is a bull soap, ginger, cinnamon, curry, chili, lemongrass, cardamom. If you've never seen how mangosteen is growing, so then I will show you that. That's mangosteen, and that's the tree. There are two parking places. The first one and this one is the second one. It's the upper one. From the booth of them you can take a motorbike all the way to the parking place, which is close to the Sekumpul waterfall. What we did, we just took a walk and we walked all the way down to that viewpoint, and for that we paid, like I said, 20,000. You actually can stop previously and it's like, I don't know, another 200 meters down on this road, so up to you. We are somewhere near the Singaraja and the ocean doesn't look really good. Now we're gonna go there. Yeah, so the last stop before we go home, we'll eat something and then another 1 hour and then we will be back at home. Back home in Ahmed already. Believe or not, but in this places we never been before, just because before we were too busy, and we recommended it to the people, Sekumpul waterfall as well, but personally it was the first time we were there. We're definitely going back together with Tonya as well, because she was busy today and she were not able to participate in all this trip, so that's why we will go back. We will go all the way down, we will swim in the waterfalls, and that will be another episode from there. A little bit, I don't know, with a little bit more emotions than maybe today, but yeah. Thank you very much for watching me today again. Follow, subscribe, smash that thumbs up button, and see you tomorrow again. Bye.